Hello everybody. We're back off of vacation, and I was going to give you an update on the MyPillow memory foam topper for the Queen RV mattress, and so that's what this is all about. We bought a memory foam topper made by MyPillow. It came with these two pillows, and I'll tell you, the pillows actually turned out to be pretty nice, and they're a little poofy, but it's like they've got little chunks of stuff in there, so you can do this, and now you've got a little cavity right there, so you can kind of fluff it back up, you can fluff it down. Actually pretty adjustable. However you like your pillow, it seems like you can kind of mold it into that shape. It's not really what this was about, and I don't know if it's gonna be a deal that it always comes with that, but that's the way it was when we got it. Anyway, on to the memory foam. The topper really helped out a lot. The original problem I had, we have a memory foam mattress on here, and I would sink into the thing. It's doing what it's supposed to do, but it's firmer than I cared for it to be. So if you weigh as little as Edgar here, it doesn't seem to be a problem. If you weigh as little as my wife, it doesn't seem to be a problem. If you weigh as much as me, for me, it caused a problem. I would sink into the memory foam. It was comfortable, and it was doing what it was supposed to do, but for me to turn over, I would have to hold myself in the new position longer than I cared to while I was trying to sleep. If I was able to hold myself in the new position long enough, the little dimple would come back up, and I'd have a new dimple to sleep in. What this thing does, it distributes my weight enough that I still sink into the memory foam just like I did before, but not as deep. So when I get ready to roll over, I can tell that there's a dimple in the original memory foam mattress, but it doesn't linger as long, and I don't have to forcefully hold myself into the new position. So for me, this thing solved the problem. I originally thought we were going to have to buy a new mattress. It doesn't appear we're going to have to do that anymore. I slept on this, as a matter of fact, a couple of nights. I don't even think I ever rolled over, which is unusual for me. So if Edgar doesn't like it, he's never complained about it, so I'm going to assume that he's okay with it. He doesn't sleep in here anyway. He naps in here, but he sleeps at the kitchen table or on the couch. So at night it's just me and my wife in here. But anyway, for me, this thing solved a lot of problems. It had a money-back guarantee if you want to try one. I'm not affiliated with these people. I don't get anything out of it. For products that work, I like to share it. For products that don't work, I like to share it. So if somebody has a product that works well for me, I like to give them a thumbs up. If it doesn't work, I'll give them a thumbs down. But for me, this was a big thumbs up. I'm not going to have to buy a new mattress. This wasn't a cheap option, but it was a cheaper option than replacing the original memory foam mattress. And I'm very happy with this. So turned this into a very usable surface for me to sleep on, and might help somebody else out. So if you know somebody in an RV that's needing a new mattress or thinking about a new mattress, share this with them, and maybe it'll help somebody out. That's kind of my goal here. If you're new to the channel, think about subscribing. If you got something out of this, give me a thumbs up, share it with somebody, and I'll catch you guys down the road.